Hello everyone, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations. Today we're using this 3/4 design Celestial Skies sheet, perfect for our index card challenge which we have going on in our group currently. So I will leave more details on the challenge and the Facebook group at the end of this video, but in the meantime let's jump right in and create. And here we have the completed index card. How fun was that? It came together super easy with lots of texture, tons of dimension, as you can see. If you missed this collection, I already did a full walkthrough of all of it. So you can see the 12 by 12s, the 8 by 8, the 6 by 6, the card packs, the journaling cards, and there are even ATC size cards as well. So we hope that you'll check that out. I'll leave the information and the link in the description box down below, so you can just click and head on over to see the collection in full. We hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, won't you please take the time to give us a thumbs up, as well as, of course, leave us comments, because we love to hear your feedback, and share it with your friends and in your crafty groups. All of the products that were featured in this video are available in our online stores. We have spectrumartcreations.com and also our Etsy store by the same name, Spectrum Art Creations. We hope that you will check both out. More importantly, make sure you join us for our live weekly sales right here on YouTube, on this channel. All you have to do is join us and be able to see product live, shop live, chat live, and even join in the games and giveaways. Make sure you are subscribed to our free newsletter so that every Saturday morning you will get an email with all the information for the sale for that week, including some bonus giveaways. If you're not subscribed to the channel, we certainly hope that you will subscribe and ring that bell so you can get notifications. Don't forget, join the Facebook group. Not only will you find challenges such as this, the index card, but you'll find many more. And every single month we have new challenges. So it's always a great way to keep growing and, trying new things. I'll leave that other video here linked at the end. We hope that you will watch that, and we'll see you there. Bye.